Alright guys, I just wanted to do a quick video about the new goat we got. So we got rid of the 2 alpine goats and decided to get a buck. So we got a Nigerian Dwarf buckling. We were hoping he would breed with the other Nigerian Dwarf and the pygmy goat. However, it took a while for the ladies to warm up to him, and he's kind of small, so it might be next breeding season when we get some kids. It was extremely windy outside, so I decided to do a voiceover for this video. And here is the new buck. His name is Buckley. He's a registered Nigerian Dwarf goat. And as you can see, he has a lot of different colors in him, and he is very handsome. And here is Fleur, our pygmy goat. She wants to say hi. He is still a little skittish around us, but he's starting to warm up and be a little bit more curious. And the ladies are starting to warm up to him too. And now Buckley wants to come say hi to the camera. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.